Have you ever shot two coyotes, one stand, one with the shotgun, one with the rifle? I'm going to show you how I do it here. Let's get to watching. What had happened here, we sneaked down in here to call. We're calling a little area really because the dam down here has water backed up in the creek, and I didn't think a coyote would cross the creek because there's so much water all the way up it for a ways. So I wanted to call side hill here, and when we walked in, I seen a deer run along the edge of the hills here, and we got set up. I called and I saw a doe and a fawn over there, a mule deer, and I kept watching them. Well, the doe kept turning and looking up the hill, and the hill was small, but the doe just kept staring. So she knew this coyote was over that hill for whatever reason, and I kept watching. Pretty soon I glassed them deer again, and this coyote was just laying on the hill right by the deer, 10 yards from the deer, just laying there. And I thought, well, it's an adult coyote, it doesn't want to come in. And then I heard one howl down here, just a high-pitched shrill woo. That's all it did. And I've had luck in the past when a coyote does that. It's just like they're signaling they're coming in because they think another companion has something dead. So I sat there. I called again, sat there. Sure enough, here come the coyote, come running in here, shotgunning, and I was crouched down, and the thing come up the hill, and it's staring right at me, and I had the gun right up to my face and trying to cover my face up, and it's sitting there staring at me. And then pretty soon it wanted to skirt and go kind of downwind and get in all this brush. I knew I had to shoot it, but I knew every step it took this way, it was going to muffle the shotgun shot, because that coyote was only 400 yards away, this one right here. So as soon as I shot this one, seeing it wasn't going anywhere, I made about a 40-45 yard shotgun shot. I jumped up with my rifle, scooted ahead in front of the sagebrush, sat down, and I glassed. And I seen the coyote standing on the side of the hill because it started to come in. I glassed when this coyote was behind the hill coming in, and I never seen it on the hill anymore because it was watching this coyote come in, and then it jumped up to come in. So I shot that one, scooted ahead, and then I started ki-eyeing. Yipe, 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 yipe. I did that once, did it again, stopped. And then I glassed, and that coyote just stood over there on the side of the hill staring. And then I just shut up. Pretty soon, here it come. It couldn't take it no more, so it had to come. And it stopped again, and I gave it a few more. Here it come. Just slow but sure, stopping a lot. Then it started loping. And it went right down here, and it was only 125-yard shot, so I just opted to, it was in a little clearing. I set up with my gun, I was on it, and the coyote seen the movement, stopped, staring up at me, made a perfect chest shot, down she went. So, kind of windy on this explanation, but sometimes when you shoot one coyote, just don't get up, play patient. The shotgun made a double out of this deal. 2 monster coyotes here. Absolutely beautiful. They're just huge. Man, heavy. Wow. Unbelievable set. We got a long walk back to the pickup. It's gonna be a haul, but we'll do it with a smile on our face. We're gonna go make another stand here just shortly. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share it with your friends and beat that like button up. Until next time, I'm gonna get outdoors.